Tim Cooper, Cooper's Automotive, 2017 Ford F-150 with the 3.5 dual turbo. And the problem with this vehicle was the auto start stop stopped working, and pulling the codes on it, we came up with the auxiliary transmission fluid pump situation. Now, locating this was a little tricky. A lot of them say it was on the side, passenger side of the transmission, setting up inside there, and all those kind of things, just trying to find out where it was located. I'm going to replace this pump. I've got it apart. I'm going to show you where it's found, and just going to walk you through what you have to do to get it out of there. So, all right, so back here underneath the vehicle, and here's a picture of the pan right there. Let's blow that up a little bit. See if we can do that. Not responding too good, but anyway, as you can see there, I'm going to pull this back. All right, pan's off. Obviously, you got to take the pan off. That's a lot of 8mm and a couple of 13s on each side. Takes that pan off. I thought I was going to have to drop the exhaust because it was so tight back into here. I thought I wasn't going to be able to get it out, but that's not true. So you don't have to drop the exhaust. I did take the cross member out right here just to make it easier to get to the back bolts, but you don't have to do that either. The pump sits right up inside here. All right, there's the plug to it, right there. And I believe that was let me see here. I saved that little, I think it was a T30 torque bit socket on that one. But once you get that out of there, you are going to have to get the pan off, pull this filter off. And once you pull the filter off, here's the pump. Sits straight up inside there. Once you get the filter off, you have the room to get it right out through there. And your 3 T30s all the way around. They're a little long, like this. And then the 8mm bolts right here for the pipe that goes to that pump, and then an 8mm on each side, and then slide the filter out and drop it down. Not going to get the pump, today's Friday, I'm not going to get the part back until Monday. So this sucker's sustained on the lift here for a little bit.